Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we will be discussing that when a monopoly firm is facing losses. Basically, it is very rare or extreme condition when a monopoly firm is facing losses because he has 100% share in the market and he has market power in terms of prices. He can set the prices according to his own choice. So there will be very rare chances that in case of imperfect competition or monopoly, firm is facing losses. Basically, a firm is facing loss when its average cost is greater than average revenue. So when the firm average cost is greater than average revenue, so it means that firm is facing losses. So now we will draw the normal loss under monopoly. So for that we have to draw the level of output first, then we will talk about the loss under monopoly. So here it will be the graph of average revenue, price or the demand curve, and this will be the graph for marginal revenue. As we know that the slope of marginal revenue is greater than the slope of average revenue, so marginal revenue graph will always be below than the average revenue. So now we have to draw MC curve in order to decide the level of output. So here is the marginal cost curve, and at this point marginal cost curve and MC and M are both are equal. So we will get output decision from this point, and if we join this equilibrium point with this price line, so it will give us the price for this output level. So now we have to draw only average cost curve in order to show the normal loss. As the condition tell us that loss is when average cost is greater than average revenue. So now we have to draw average cost curve in such a way that it should be above than this point. So let me draw it for you. So here it will be the curve of average cost curve. So the area from this point to this point is showing loss under monopoly as average cost is greater than average revenue. So when average cost is greater than average revenue, the firm is facing loss. Either it will be the case of perfect competition, either it will be the case of imperfect competition, monopoly, oligopoly, whatever the case is, when the average cost is greater than average revenue, the firm is facing losses.